Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we start the presentation, first I will introduce my group. Number 1, Dera Ramadhani with number A5101902226. And then number 2, Dera Ayuningsih Triutami with number A5101902229. Okay, number 3, Dera Chantika Risma Asfuri with number A5101902233. Number 4, and then Dera Pulansri Sayakti with number A5101902236. Okay, number 5, Dera Pinky Winky Alip Ika Trihadi with number A5101902240. Okay, and then number 6, it's my name, Dina Mulia Permatasari with number A5101902243. And then the last member, number 7, is Sulistiono Adi Nugroho with number A5101902246. Thank you. For the next, this presentation will starting with my friend is Ramadhani.
Learning Technical, HOTS Basic Mathematics Learning Design, Class 4, Semester 1, Lesson, Fraction, Subtraction, Common Fraction, Interactive Technical. It's been said that if a student understands fraction, then they can understand any mathematical concept. It is then very important for every math teacher to know how to teach fraction in the most applicable way possible. How to teach fraction tip 1. Explain every fraction in the term of pizza to make fraction familiar. When decided on a method of how to teach fraction, we need to use fraction analogies that the student will immediately recognize. These enter the pizza at the perfect instrument needed to teach the concept of the fraction. How did fraction tip 2? Explain the numerator and the denominator until every student understands. Student will never understand how to add or subtract a fraction until they truly understand the concept of a fraction. Use fraction that every student understands. How to teach fraction tip 3. Draw lots of picture of fraction. Children are visual learners and the basic technical of how to teach fraction involves drawing picture of fraction. How to teach fraction tip number 4. Ensure that you teach fraction simplification slowly and quickly. Most students have a very hard time understanding the concept of equivalent fraction. Otherwise, now a fraction simplification. The best way how to teach fraction simplification is to show picture of many fractions that we know to be equivalent.
Learning strategies. Strategy scientific preliminary activity. Activity orientation. Activity description are the Other 1. The teacher reads and check attendance student. 2. The teacher and student pray before starting the activity. 3. The teacher explain in general the mathematical material about fraction. Allocation time. Perception. Activity description. 1. The teacher give an overview of the importance of understand the addition of fraction. Next. Two, as a perception to encourage curiosity, then are asked to observe and analyze in the mathematics learning for the fraction material section. The stimulates students with questions that leads to the context of fraction. 4. The teacher confine the desired learning objective as safe. 5. The teacher confine the use of understanding the material fraction. 6. The teacher divides heterogeneous groups and asks students collaborate to solve problems.
Model syntax learning 1. Observe 1. The teacher invites students to recall the material fraction that have been studied in the previous class. 2. The teacher displays events, occurrence, phenomena, context, or situation related to the act of addition of fractions. Model syntax learning 2. Asks 1. The teacher and student discuss about addition of common and mixed fractions, decimals, and the addition of various fractions.
Model syntax learning 3. Explore. 1. The teacher gives an example of the addition of fraction, common and mixed, decimal and addition various form of fraction. 2. The teacher asks some students to answer the example question given by the teacher. Model syntax learning 4. Associative. The teacher gives assignment to students to working on practice question of the textbook. 2. Student to the text later collects the rules.
Model syntax learning 5. Communication. 1. The teacher randomly appoints some student to explain the answer in front of the class. 2. The teacher together with the student conclude about addition of fraction, ordinary fraction, fraction mix, decimal, and various form of fraction. Next. Closing activities. 1. The teacher asks students the impression of learning today. 2. The teacher provides an assessment of knowledge from the result assessment that have been done by students. 3. The teacher gives homework, namely doing this exercise. 4. The teacher reminds students to make assessment at home and collect it at the next meeting. 5. The teacher ends the learning activity with a message to keep the spirit of learning and say hello student, answer the teacher's greeting 10 minutes.
Okay, for the next, we are on the section icebreakers. Okay, first, okay, please follow me to icebreakers, to icebreaking. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Okay, thank you for the icebreakers.
Method lecture method, demonstration method, drill method, and practice method, game method. The meaning of the above method is one, lecture method. Lecture is a way of conveying information verbally from someone to someone in certain room. Activity are centered on the speaker and the communication that occurs from the speaker to the listener. 2. Demonstration method. Through the demonstration method, the teacher can show a process, event, or who a tool work to student. Demonstration can be carried out in various ways, from simply providing knowledge that has been taken for granted by student, to ways to that student can solve a problem. 3. Drill method and practice method. Many tools can help people to the able to calculate quickly and accurately. List of squares, list of roots, approximation, and calculator, for example, but counting quickly and accurately without tools at school is still need. Therefore, in this learning activity, drill methods and training methods will also be discussed. In many ways, the word drill and practice are synonyms, but here the two words will be distinguished in meaning. For game method, a teacher told each student to write the count according to his order without saying what the counted. The order is so write the number of your sister's number at 3, multiply 2, again multiply b6, now for 4, lastly subtract 8. Hot quiz. Andy has a bamboo that is 8 meters long. The bamboo is cut each 5/20 meter. How many pieces of bamboo did Andy get? Answer: 8 divides 5/20 equal 8 times 20/5 equal 8 times 4 equals 32. So the number of piece of bamboo that Andy get is 20 pieces.